Let us all stand and feel the presence of the Lord. Good morning, class!
Good morning, teacher.
How's your day?
It's good, teacher.
Okay, you may now all be seated.
Thank you, teacher.
Before we proceed to our new discussion for today, let me first check your attendance. May I know who are the absent today in our class?
None, ma'am. We are all present.
Very good, class! Attendance is very important so that you won't miss our lesson for today. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let us have a drill first. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay. Here's your drill for today. Will you stand, Jana, and please read the direction?
Give the fraction that show in each picture.
Thank you, Jana. You will going to give the fraction that I will going to flash in the screen. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am. 1/6.
Very good. It is 1/6. What about the next one?
3/4.
Very good. What about the next one?
2/4.
Very good. The next one?
2/3.
2/3. Very good. What about the last one?
1/4.
Okay. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let us have a review first to our previous lesson last meeting. May I know what it is all about?
It's all about fraction, ma'am.
Very good. Now, for me to know if you still remember it, let us have first an activity named Check and Draw Me. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Will you please stand, Jana, and read the mechanics of our activity?
Check and draw. Divide the class into 2 groups. Each group will be going to choose one representative to raise the answer of their group. It is either and check or wrong. The teacher will be going to flash a question in the screen. The group who has the most correct answer will be the winner of the game.
Thank you, Jana. Now, when I will going to flash the screen, you need to raise your answer if it is check or wrong. Now, for the group 1, it is your group 2. Okay, for number 1 question, a fraction is not a whole number.
Check.
Very good. What about the number 2? 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 are examples of fraction.
Check.
Very good. For number 3, fraction does not represent parts of a set of collection.
Wrong.
Very good. For number 4, a fraction has 2 parts, namely numerator and denominator.
Check.
Very good. For the number 5, The number on the top is called the denominator, and the number on the bottom is called the numerator.
Check. Wrong. Wrong.
Okay, very good. Have you enjoyed our previous activity, class?
Yes, ma'am, we are enjoying it.
I am happy to know that. Now, give yourself a 3 very good claps.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Now, let us proceed to our new discussion for today. And for you to give an idea of what it is, we will be having an activity and we will call this the activity Assemble Me. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please start, Jana, to read the mechanics of our activity?
Divide the class into 2 groups. The teacher will give them a cardboard and envelope. The inside of envelope are letters. The group will need to assemble the letters into 2 words. After that, they will going to stick the letters that they assemble in the cardboard. The group has 3 minutes to assemble the letters. The group who will finish first will be the winner of the game.
Okay, thank you, Jana. For group 1, this is your envelope. For group 2, this is your envelope. Inside those envelopes are the letters that you need to assemble. And for group 1, this is your cardboard. For group 2, this is your cardboard. Now, you may start your activity. Again, you have 3 minutes to assemble those following letters. Okay, anyone in the class, are you done?
Ma'am, are we finished?
Okay, for group 2, we have the finish first, the group 2. Let me stick your answer in the board. What about the group 1? Okay, you are a little bit late, but let us first check if your answer is correct. Okay, proper, improper, mixed. Very good, class. Now give yourself a 3 very good claps.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Okay, let us now begin our new lesson for today. It is all about the types of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction, which is the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed number. When we say proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example of the proper fraction are the 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4. And the next one is the improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. It is example of improper fraction are 5/4, 6/5, and 9/9. For the mixed number, a fraction in which it is a sum of a whole number and a fraction. Example of mixed number are 1 and 3/4, 1 and 1/4, and 2 and 3/4. Again, class, what is proper fraction?
It is the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Denominator. Okay, very good. Will you give me some examples of proper fraction?
1/4, 2/3, and 3/4, ma'am.
Very good. What about the improper fraction? Can you give me some examples of improper fraction?
It is the numerator is larger than the denominator of equal to the example of it are 2, 2, 3, 5/4, and 6/4.
Very good. What about the mixed number?
It is fraction in which it is sum of a whole number and a fraction.
Very good, class. I am happy now that you know the 3 types of fraction. Now that you know the types of fraction, I want you to understand understand the problem below because later on, I will be going to ask you a questions. One Sunday morning, Ayesha went to the market together with her mother to accompany her to buy some ingredients to the dish that her mother will going to cook. They bought 3/4 kilogram of carrots, 5/4 kilogram of pork, and 1 3/4 of potatoes. Ayesha carries all the ingredients in going home. Okay, now, what ingredients Ayesha and her mother did bought to the market?
Carrots, pork, and potatoes, ma'am.
Very good. What food do you think they will going to cook?
I think, ma'am, it is menudo, my favorite.
Very good. And somehow, what kind of a girl is Ayesha?
She is helpful, ma'am.
Very good. I am glad to know that. What about the fraction? Have you seen the fraction that's shown in the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those fractions?
3/4, 5/4, and 1 3/4, ma'am.
Very good, class. Now, for me to know if you have learned something in our lesson for today, we will be having an activity related to the problem. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us now begin your activity. I am going to divide you into 2 groups. Using a cardboard, draw a pizza and illustrate the fraction used in the problem. Identify the types of fraction that's shown by the pizza, and after that, you need to present your output to the class. Are you class ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us begin. For group 1, this is your cardboard. And for group 2, this is your cardboard. Okay, may I call the representative of group 1 to present their output?
3/4 proper this fraction. 5/4 improper fraction. 1 3/4 mixed number.
It is mixed number, Jing Shane. Okay, very good. Give the group 1 a 3 very good claps.
1, 2, 3, very good.
Oh, may I call the group 2 representative to present their output?
Three-fourth proper fraction, 5/4 improper fraction, 3/4, 1 3/4 mixed number.
Okay, very good. Group 2 now give the group 2 a 3 very good claps. 1, 2, 3, very good. Okay, now, what can you say about the activity that we did?
It is enjoyable, ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about the first fraction?
It is a proper fraction, ma'am.
What about the second fraction?
It is an improper fraction, ma'am.
Very good. Now, what is a mixed number?
The combination of whole number and proper fraction, ma'am.
Very good, class. Now, for me to know if you have learned something today, we will be having another activity and we will call this the Guess Me activity. I am going to divide you into 2 groups. Each group will be going to choose 1 representative. Then I will give you a flashcards. These flashcards are the answers to the question that you will going to guess. I will be going to flash the screen and you will be going to guess if your flashcards that you're holding are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. After you guess the answer, the representative will raise their answer of their group. The group who has the most correct answer will be the winner of the game. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us now begin our class activity. This will be your flashcards group 1 and this will be your flashcards group 2. Now, I am going to flash the screen and you need to guess if the fraction here is proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed number. Okay, number 1.
Proper fraction.
Very good. Number 2.
Improper fraction.
Very good. Number 3.
Mixed number.
Very good. Number 4.
Proper fraction.
Very good. And number 5.
Improper fraction.
What about number 6?
Mixed number.
Very good. Now, before you take our last activity today, I am going to ask you a question. How would you know if the fraction is proper fraction, improper fraction, or a mixed number?
A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. A proper fraction whose numerator is equal of greater than the denominator is called improper fraction, and a fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed number. These are 3 types of fraction.
Very good, class! I am happy to know that you fully understand our lesson for today and the differences of the 3 types of fraction. Now, before you take your quiz for today, let us answer these questions. The direction is, write the given fractions in the appropriate column. Now, you need to guess to this fraction if it is a proper fraction, improper fraction, or a mixed number. You will stand, Jana, and answer what are the proper fraction to this given fraction.
1/4,
Okay.
4/5,
Okay.
3/4, 2/4, 1/2,
1/2.
1/2, 5/7,
5/7. Very good. What about the improper fraction to this given fraction?
9/7,
9/7.
8/5,
8/5. Good.
6/4,
6/4.
5/3,
5/3. Very good. What about mixed number?
3 and 1/3,
3 and 1/3.
1 and 1/2,
1 and 1/2.
second, 2 and 1/4,
2 and 1/4.
6 and 1/4,
6
6
and
and 1/2.
1/2. Very good. Now give yourself a 3 very good claps. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, for your today's quiz, you need to choose the letter of the answer and write it on the space provided. And for your test 2, list down 3 examples of proper fraction, 4 examples of improper fraction, and 4 examples of mixed number. And for your assignment, you need to write P if the given is proper fraction, I if it is a improper fraction, and F if it is a mixed number. Now, do you have any question, class?
None, ma'am.
That's all for today. Goodbye, class, and God bless.
Good day, ma'am.